The easiest way to create a Beetlejuice lip is sketch out the lips, fill them in with white lipstick, paint the black stripes, use an eyeshadow brush and liquid lipstick for the splatter effect in green and purple, and don't forget to say Beetlejuice 3 times. It will be raining cats and bats this Halloween. First, paint the ombre lip background. Take a fan brush with darker green and lighter green colors to paint the grass texture. Paint the kitty pumpkins, fill them in with orange. Paint the eyes and the mouths in yellow. Paint the gray tombstone, outline with black. Paint the white kitty ghosts, add eyes and whiskers. Paint the broomstick, the cat. Finally, the bats. Carve your lips with foundation, and don't forget to follow for more lip art. Have a spooky Halloween. Paint an easy Oogie Boogie lip art for Halloween. Apply vivid green lipstick, then a lighter green lipstick with a sponge to imitate his sack-like texture. Paint the evil downturned eyes with black liquid lipstick. Don't forget to fill them in. Paint the inner rim of your lips with the same black liquid lipstick. Then with a thin brush, draw the stitches on the lower and upper lip. Go over them with emerald green eyeshadow and also under and above the eyes to create the shadings. Go over the Oogie Boogie stitches one more time to make them more prominent. Carve the lips with foundation, and you're the boogeyman. Would you wear this makeup for Halloween or for Christmas? Did you know you can celebrate Halloween underwater too? Let's see how it's done. First, do an ombre lip using green, teal, and blue liquid lipsticks, the names of which you see on your screen, by the way. Blend, blend, blend. And then start painting the mermaid with a green fish tail and a witch hat because she's celebrating Halloween. The rest of the mermaid, then the octopus dressed himself or herself as a jack-o'-lantern. The jellyfish put on some devil horns, and the regular fish just has devil horns instead of her tail. Who would you be if you celebrated Halloween underwater? How to paint a spooky Halloween lip art, keeping it rainbow. Outline the lips, sketch out the bats in black, which will be negative space bats, 2 on the lower lip, 1 on the upper. Start filling in the colors, going around the bats and overlapping the black contours slightly. Do the colors in rainbow order and keep the colors dark. Blend them together approximately like this, and it's freaking bats! See my page for more lip makeup ideas!